The CourseCareers construction estimating course costs about $499. So what I'm here to see is are you paying for actual skills that you're going to be able to use, or are you just paying for another online certificate? I reviewed what the course teaches you and what you're going to receive for your money, what it can and what it cannot do for you. By the end of this video, I will give you my honest verdict and explain to you who the course is best for and tell you who exactly should keep their money in their pocket. I'm Will Martin, and this is Build Smart with Will Martin. I work in commercial construction. It's my daytime job, project management, and this channel is about practical construction careers, the project management industry, and estimating along with technology, the integration of AI into your everyday workflow. It's not just generic advice from somebody that doesn't know and wants to make a YouTube channel. This is coming from a guy with a real daytime job that pays his mortgage. Full disclosure before we get into this, CourseCareers has paid me to create a video, and I may also earn a small commission. If you enroll through my link, that does not increase the price you pay. It does not change the verdict that I'm going to give you, because this is on. I told them up front, hey, I'm going to give an honest feedback over this course. I'm not promising you that the course will automatically get you a job. No legitimate course, even college, can guarantee that, but there's placement options. This is just a leg in there to get you up in salary. Let's start with what you're actually buying, because I believe the real question here is whether the training gives a serious beginner enough structure, enough knowledge, and practical experience to basically justify taking this course, paying the $499. The project estimation course, the one-time payment of $499. There is also a payment plan if you choose to do bi-weekly payments of, I believe, $150. I think it's a 14-day. If you don't like it, you can send it back, get a full refund. Before purchasing the course, you can take a free introductory course to learn to see if you actually like it. So let's dig into that. What we're going to get into is this paid course currently offers about 15 hours of instruction video. These videos are very detailed, very professional, very accurate as to what it's like to be in the world of construction estimating. I did estimating for several years. It is probably one of the more challenging careers paths that you could take, but it is also very rewarding. So on top of that, we're going to look at about 15 exercises, about an hour in exercises, 5 real world case studies. So here's a project, here's how we did the takeoff, here's how we did the estimation, this was the outcome. Then at the end of that, it offers kind of a practical exam. Now this exam is not make or break, it's not hard. If you've really paid attention to the knowledge that they've given you and watched all the videos, taken all the exercises seriously, taken notes, this exam is a breeze. And then a proctored final exam. That is kind of what separates careers from other online things of this type. The fact that it's proctored means it's going to be an official exam. It's going to be documented. You can't cheat on it. You've got to take the full thing. And then also you will get kind of as a bonus be resume and LinkedIn guidance. So how to put your CourseCareers certificate on there, what to put in your bio. And like I said, job placement in the disclaimer that I did earlier. You're gonna get access to job search and outreach tools to help get your placement with CourseCareers backing you up. And then you'll get access to a Discord community. This Discord community is full of people looking to advance careers, looking for people to pull into their companies. So there's tons of opportunity there. Then you get kind of some additional free workshops. Coaching options are available. I believe those come with an extra cost to them. And the entire course is online, it's self-paid. So you pay the $499, you can beat it in 3 weeks. Cool, you got your stuff. It takes you 3 months. You don't have time, I get it. A lot of us are working, we're trying to advance, trying to make ends meet, all that stuff. It's totally understandable. $499, 15 hours, 15 exercises, 5 case studies, self-paced. That's the big recap there. Sounds like a substantial package to me. But a long list of features does not automatically make a course worth purchasing. I like to really dig into things. What matters is whether those features help you develop the skills that employees actually value. Construction estimating is much more than measuring quantities and placing prices onto a spreadsheet. A good estimator has to understand drawings, has to be able to understand labor, materials, equipment, subcontractor scope, indirect costs over the whole project, assumptions, exclusions, bid comparisons, back and forth with those, and risk. Risk is one of those things that's huge in estimating. They also need to recognize when information is missing or when two documents contradict each other. Then it moves into construction documents, different types of estimates, labor material costs, equipment, subcontractors, quantity takeoffs, pricing, bid evaluation, risk management, and the job search process. Are you going to get this job? And then what are the prerequisites? Do you have to send out a RFQ? What is it? So the course also introduces common estimating tools and workflows involving programs such as Excel, Bluebeam, Destiny Estimator, and ProEstimate, and Sage. Sage and Bluebeam, I use those a lot in my day-to-day jobs. That curriculum covers the correct categories. But here's the part most career courses just overlook. They just don't catch it. They don't understand it because it's some guy that's never done any project estimating, so he doesn't understand. But learning what an estimator does is not the same thing as being able to produce an accurate estimate, right? The exercises and case studies are where this program either becomes valuable or becomes an expensive playlist. Complete beginner does not know where to begin. They hear terms like bid takeoff, quantity takeoff, bid tabs, direct costs, indirect costs, subcontractor coverages, overhead, profit, scope gaps, contingencies. But they do not understand how all these pieces fit together. I didn't at first, I know that. It took me several projects before I really had a grasp, and then several more after that before I was very proficient in how to put all these pieces together. You can find videos covering almost every individual estimating topic online. The problem is that the information is usually just scattered. You've got pieces here, you've got pieces there, you just got to be able to connect it. That's what this course does great. It brings all these pieces and it puts it together and it lays you out in a structure, and it will explain Bluebeam, it'll explain labor cost, it'll explain bid leveling, it explains all this, but a beginner has no way to determine what is happening at first. The information is impossible to find anywhere else that's put together like this, in my opinion. That structure has real value. The second advantage is practical work. You cannot learn construction estimating only by watching someone else do it on the internet. You need to open the drawings, you need to review the specifications, you need to identify the scope, you need to perform some takeoffs, you need to organize the labor, material, the equipment, the subcontractor costs. You also need to make assumptions and then explain why you made them. That's a difficult thing to do, is to make an assumption of I need X amount of feet of 2x for framing because I'm going to have an open hole here and I need to be able to put a wall that I can take off and put back at the end of the day because we're going to be working this area for weeks at a time. Got to have all that stuff in place and an explanation as to why. So the course includes 15 exercises, 5 case studies. These 5 case studies are designed to give students the practice with estimating throughout that whole process. But there's an important condition. You cannot rush through these exercises just as fast as you can to get your certificate at the end of it. And to understand why is you're going to make mistakes. You're going to mess up. And you're going to do that in the real world, and there's real world implications for that. So this repetition, don't be afraid to take a couple shots at it. Even if you nail it the first time, take it again just to make sure you might have missed something. Because when you get in the world of construction, there's not going to be a whole lot of room for leeway. They'll let you make some mistakes. They'll give you some costs. These companies are pretty good about that, especially if you're green. But if you're consistently screwing up, you're gone. So you need to know this stuff going into it. You need to be able to back up your resume saying, hey, I am proficient as a beginner at this. So if you click through the videos, barely complete the practical work, and you're paying $499 for information you will probably forget, this might not be for you. Now, the third advantage is that the program does not end with technical lessons. After completing the training, the final exam, the students receive access to career development resources. These include resume drafts, LinkedIn profiles, professional outreach, networking. That's huge. Networking and construction are huge. Interview preparation and job tracking. The program is designed to prepare beginners for entry-level positions such as junior estimating intern, cost estimating assistant. I can't think of anything else. Takeoff technicians. Tons of names. It's all the same thing. This is useful because estimating technology is part of the entire building industry. You'll also need to communicate what you know to an employer. You need to demonstrate that you have the basic understanding of the process, and that's what they're going to look for when they talk with you. They're going to ask you a few questions that are going to be off the cuff, and you're going to have to answer them off the cuff. It's not going to make a lot of sense, and that's how they're going to gauge where you're at and where you need to be placed, is how you answer these questions. And be honest. If they ask you a question and you don't know the answer, I don't know. Don't try to make something up, because they're going to see right through it. These guys have been doing it for 20 plus years. They're going to know. So they're not expecting you to know everything. They know they don't know everything. Come in, be willing to learn, be willing to listen, be willing to answer truthfully, because honesty is key in construction as well. This course can prepare you for that, but it cannot apply for jobs. It cannot network. It cannot interview. It cannot follow up on jobs for you. Those are things you're going to have to do. Let's talk about biggest limitation. This course cannot replace actual estimating experience. You're going to meet guys that take this course or have other educational background in estimating, and they're going to know more than you. It is what it is. This course cannot teach you terminology. This course will explain the workflow. It will provide exercises and case studies. It will introduce estimating software, but it cannot fully create the pressure you've got when you've got a deadline coming up. That is one of the greatest things about estimating, is you've got a certain amount of time to get this job bid and put together and figure out how much it's going to cost. And you've got a bid date of, it's usually Thursdays at 2 p.m., right? Cannot provide the judgment that comes with discovering expensive scope gaps, pricing, conflicting information before a bid is submitted. Figuring that out before you submit a bid is huge, because you should probably skip this course if you already work as a construction estimator. You already understand drawings, review quantity, takeoffs, pricing, bid leveling, scopes, all that stuff. You should also skip it if you don't believe you can get hired. 90% of the battle is your confidence. You should skip it if you believe the certificate alone will get you hired, because it's not. It's going to be that confidence. It's going to be that certificate. It's going to be that interview. It's going to be the whole process, the background, everything. Most construction employers are going to care more about whether you understand the work versus how much experience you have, because they understand that a certificate alone does not give you that experience. They want to know whether you can read drawings, pay attention to details, communicate clearly. Those are very important things in construction estimating. This course will provide you that roadmap, but it cannot walk the path for you. Is CourseCareers Construction Estimating worth $499 for a serious beginner who needs structure, practice, experience, and a clear introduction to both estimating and the job search process? I believe this course could be worth the money. You're not paying because estimating information is impossible to find for free. You're paying to avoid spending months trying to take this video and this spreadsheet and this document and put it all together. This course does that for you. For an experienced estimator, this course will probably look too basic, but that's who it's for. It's for someone without a certificate. It's for someone that is looking for a job. It's for someone that's willing to try, and for someone who will complete the work. That's what is most important. That's the other person that should not buy it, is somebody that's not going to complete it. So my recommendation is to begin with the free introduction course. Always take the free course and see if you jive with the instructor. See if he really reaches out to you. See if you like what they have to say. If you like their teaching style, that's huge. Links in the description. It's also on my About page. Again, CourseCareers paid me to create this video, and I earn a commission if you enroll through that. Tell me in the comments, Are you already working in construction? Or are you trying to enter the industry for the first time? And after watching my video, does this full roadmap really talk to you? Let me know in the comments, guys. And hammer that subscribe button, nail that like, and I'll see you in the next one.